Hello everybody, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video I'll show how to recover deleted apps or restore deleted apps. So let's see how to do that. So first of all, go to your Google Play Store and then right top corner click on it, and in this you can choose and open manage apps and device. You can see manage, so open it, and in this you can see my all deleted or uninstalled apps in this here. And in this I can easily recover or restore my deleted or uninstalled apps. So let's see. So first of all, you can choose your need apps and then click on it, and in this you can see download or install option. Click here. You can see my deleted or uninstalled apps easily recover, and in this way you can easily recover or restore your deleted apps. And in this time I can show another way. So let's see. And then search app recovery restore deleted. And in this time you can install this app and then open it. Recover apps, open it. You can see 5 recent deleted apps in this here, and in this time I can easily recover or restore my all deleted apps. So let's see. And then restore option, click on it, choose install, and in this way you can easily recover or restore your all deleted apps. So thank you very much, and please subscribe this channel.